Yeah. So the other day I was sat at my laptop at my computer desk, and this UK black widow, some people might call it a false widow, ran along my desk where I noticed it about here, dropped on the floor between my legs and was running across the carpet quite slowly, and I leapt up and grabbed this little glass which I use to catch spiders and put them outside. It was only just outside the room. When I came back in with the little glass, the black widow had gone. So I looked everywhere, and under this chair I found some webs which I cleared up. I couldn't find the spider anywhere, and this bugged me for about 3 days. Anyway, I was just thinking about putting my laptop on tonight. Found this web in the corner. You can just about see it if I do that. On the corner of my desk. So on closer inspection, look what I found under my desk. In that corner, I'll try and do this with 2 hands. Have to get a bit closer, but if you look closely you can just see its legs sticking out. Let me zoom in, see if we can get a better look. So the little bugger has made its home under my desk, mate. There. So I'm going to have to take that bracket off, get that spider out from behind there, because otherwise I'll be sat working at my desk and it's going to come out and jump on me again. And I'm knackered. It's like 2 in the morning, and the last thing I want to do is go looking for little spiders. God, the things we have to do for fun. I knew it was in here somewhere. I thought, because I was tired, perhaps I was imagining it, because I couldn't find it again. I thought, oh, perhaps I dreamt it or something, but I knew it was in here. So as soon as I move the web, it's going to go back in behind the bracket, and then I'm going to have to get the bracket off with a pair of pliers or something, and then tease it out and try and grab it as soon as it hits the floor. Wish me luck. All this for a flipping spider. Right, so I was going to take the bracket off, but I noticed the bracket is screwed on there. And I can see a little like body shape. Hiding under the bracket in that corner. There, look. I'm thinking I'm going to try and tease it out in one go before it runs back in again. It's already run back in, which means I've got to take the flipping bracket off. I think it's safe to get my finger under there. He said, risking it very quickly. So here's my tools to catch the spider. Got a little plastic beaker to put over it. Got my bit of card, which I shall put it under and put it back outside. What I've got to do now is get that chair leg off. Try and catch it before it runs away. Yeah. What's that hiding there, look? Trouble is, if I flick that out, it's going to drop down in that lot. I know what I'll put there. I'll get a bigger glass. Mission successful. That was what was crawling around my desktop the other night, which we call, I believe we call them brown steatoda, or commonly known as the false widow. I don't know about you, but I don't want those crawling between my legs at night when I'm sat on the laptop. So that little booger is going outside, and that's a female, by the way. That's what we call the false widow in the UK. And the little one that is alleged to cause all the problems if it bites you. So I'm going to go and put that up the garden now. You can see it's quite a good size one for the UK. It's not a baby anyway. Right, so I shall put that up the garden. Let it go up the garden. I won't harm it. And I shall sleep better at night. And that'll be good because I haven't slept for about 3 nights. Not because that was there, but because I had a headache, and I don't know if they're related, but I don't think it bit me in the head. Anyway, that's my little video. Thanks very much for watching. Sleep well at night, won't ya? Anyway, that's the false widow put up the garden. She looked very tiny as it was running away, scared. And it was about as much fun as I need tonight, because I'm knackered. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you on the next one. My tash needs trimming, by the way.